Hello, how are you all? Fine, good morning, children. Hmm? My cutie pies, grade 1, how are you all? Good, wow, very nice. Do you all remember me? Yes, I hope so. I'm your, yes, correct, I'm your literacy teacher. Now, which period is this? Which lesson is this? This is your literacy lesson. Good job. Well done. Now, do you know, children, that if you see something, if someone asks you that, what do you see? Then you will describe that I can see a, what, if I ask you to describe your teacher, how will you describe him? What do you see? You see your teacher, and your teacher is sitting over here, right? Correct. What else? Can you describe me like your teacher has short hair, well done. Your teacher is wearing a grey color cardigan, right? So this is what we are going to learn. We are going to learn about describing something in sentences, right? So what we are going to learn? How to describe something by writing sentences. All right. Now, if I show you this board marker here, can you see this marker of mine? Now, what is this? Can you describe this marker? It's a board marker. Very good. What else can you say? Look, what is the color? Yes, it's of blue color. Very good. And what else? You use it to write clear. So remember, when you are describing something, you have to write down the describing words, right? Now, what are describing words? Describing words could be your feelings, like I am feeling very sad, very happy, right? It could be of your any shape, any size, any color, any number, your feelings, your emotions, right? These are all describing words. I hope you have done this in your early years class. Yes? So these are all describing words, right? Beautiful, happy, sad, what else? Any color, green, red, blue, size, big, small, right? So these are describing words. Now, can you describe this small class of mine? Yes? Yes, I have a very bright class. Okay, all right. What else? How will you describe? Your teacher has a whiteboard here. Yes, there is a whiteboard in the classroom. What else is here? There, the teacher is holding a marker in her hand. Very good. Good job. So this is how you are going to describe anything. Now, I'm holding this in my hand. How will you describe it? It's a flashcard. Very good. The teacher is holding a flashcard of what? Of happy face. So see, you are writing a happy face, and you can also say that the flashcard is of which color? Yellow color. Very good. And so happy about my class. Good job. Now, I'll show you something. Now listen, you have to see very carefully what I am showing you. Okay, it's a picture. All right, so get ready. One, two, and there you go. There's your picture. Can you see this picture? Now, yes. Now look at the picture very carefully. Now, what is the picture about, children? It's about a park. Wow, well done. The picture is about a park. What else can you see in the picture? Yes, very good. There are lots of people there. What are they doing actually? They are enjoying. Wow, very good. What else can you see? You can see there are lots of dogs. Can you count the dogs there? Yes, correct. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven dogs are there. Wow. So see, you are using which this thing describing word 7, number 7. Now there is a tall guy. Now what is he wearing? Can you describe? Yes, the tall guy is wearing a red color shirt. So see, you have written here the colors also. You have mentioned the numbers also. And what else is there? Yes, there is a small girl, a tiny girl who is running over there. Yes, very good. Correct. Good job. So this is how you are going to describe it, right? Now, remember to use the words properly. Now, what you have used here is, now can you see my whiteboard here, my tiny, tiny whiteboard? Yes, correct. Now, you can, when you are writing about sentences about anything to describe that thing, you have to start by capital letter. Remember, sentences all are always written with starting with, they always start actually with capital letter. So you will start writing like this. I can see a, what picture was it about? Picture of a park. Correct. I can see a picture of a park. What else you said? There, you can say there are lots of people in the park. And what the people are doing? Yes, they all are enjoying. What they are doing? They all are enjoying. Right. They are all are enjoying in the park. Correct? What else can you write down? What, remember what you said about the tall guy? Yes. I can see a tall man wearing, what he was wearing? Wearing a red color shirt. Right? What else? What else you saw? How many dogs were there? There, how many remember? There were 7, right? There are 7 dogs. Where they were? In the park. Correct. In the park. What else did you saw? What else did you see actually? You saw a small girl. So again you can write down, I can see a small, you can say girl or a baby in the park. Full stop. Now when I say writing sentences, that means you are writing a sentences only. It's not a paragraph. You are writing in the form of sentences. So see how you have written that I can see. First you will start by what is the picture about. So it was about a park. So you have written I can see a picture of a park. Correct? Then there are lots of people in the park. They all are enjoying. Then you saw a tall man wearing a red color shirt. So you have written I can see a tall man wearing a red color shirt. Then there are 7 dogs in the park. And then I can see a small baby in the park. So this is how you have described this picture. Understood, children? Yes. Remember that you have to write the sentences and you have to describe the picture in complete sentence. Starting with the capital letter, ending with a full stop. Wow, I'm so happy you gave me so nice responses. Well done, class. Good job. Now, coming back to your work, you all have your people books with you. You all have this book with you. Correct. Now, I want you to open page number 11 of your book. Okay. Now, did you all open? Good job. Now, can you all see this picture here? Now this is again a picture of a park, right? So look at this picture carefully and then I'm going to ask you these questions one by one, okay? Just for 1 second you can look at this picture. Your time starts now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Stop looking. Good job. Now what do you see in the picture actually? Yes? A mom and a girl are having what? They are having a picnic. And when where they are sitting in a park here. Correct. Good job. Now, what the girl, say what the girl can see. She's sitting here. So what the girl can see? She can see lots of children playing in the park. So how will you write down? You write down the girl can see children playing in the park. Got it? Now, what can, say what the girl can taste. What she can taste. She can taste the food. Now remember children, this lesson, a whole unit of yours was about your senses. Correct. It was about your senses. So you have to be careful that everything which you are learning is related to your sense. Now how many senses there are? There are 5 senses. Correct. So she is also, remember when we talk about she can see, that means she is using this sense, sense of sight. She could taste the food, sense of taste. Correct. Now, what can the girl hear? Now, see the picture carefully. What she could hear? She could hear children playing in the park. Very good. What else she could hear? She could hear the birds in the park. Very good. Now, what can the girl touch? What she could touch? She can touch her food. She can touch the mat on which she is sitting, right? So sense of touch is here, right? Now what the girl can smell? She could smell the food. Again, sense of smell is here. Very good. Now, when you have described this, that means you know how to write sentences using describing words, right? Now, this is all related to your first unit, use of your senses. Now, I want you very quickly in 5 to 10 minutes, write down these questions which we have discussed in your notebook very nicely. Okay? 5 minutes starts now. Okay. Time is up. Time is up. I'll check your work later. Now, I'm going to explain you your homework, right? That I'll explain you later on. Now, let's go and wrap up what you have done just now. Now, what was the topic about? Writing sentences, correct, using your describing words. Well done, very good. So now can you tell me, the room where you are sitting, what are the things that you can touch with your hands? What are the things? Yes, Neha, you can touch your laptop. Good job. You can touch your laptop. What else can you touch? You can touch? Very good. You can touch your book. What else? You can touch your mouse also, correct? Okay. Now, what are the things that you can hear in this room of yours, wherever you are sitting? Very good. You can hear the noises coming from outside. Yes? Right. What else can you hear? You can hear? Yes, you can hear your teacher. Wow, good job. I'm so happy. That means whatever we have done in this unit regarding your senses, use of senses is clear to you all. Well done, class. And you also know how to write sentences? Yes. Whenever you are asked to describe anything, you are going to write sentences using describing words. And how a sentence starts? It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Wow, good job. Now I'll be posting your homework on portal. Okay, that would be a workbook page. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye, children.